rocky ground and back to a good night's rest. This lightweight package can fit in a hiking backpack for all of your outdoor treks. To assemble, connect the leg pieces together. Next, slide the support bars into the canvas. Starting with the center of the cot, insert one leg into the canvas hole. Push on the opposite side of the leg until it clips into place on the other support bar. Repeat for remaining legs. The thick nylon cloth is waterproof and holds weight up to 280 pounds. Disassembly is just as simple as the setup and can be easily stored when not in use. Whether using indoors or outdoors, sleep comfortably on this sturdy cot.